Rumors played a dirty trick on oil. Yesterday, it was reported that the United Arab Emirates and OPEC had allegedly reached some kind of agreement. This in turn supported oil prices. Later, however, the United Arab Emirates denied the rumors. As a result, oil prices collapsed. Thus, uncertainty around the volume of oil production puts increasing pressure on the oil market. Despite this, crude oil stockpiles have not shown an increase. Despite the continued deficit, commodity prices have nowhere to grow. In addition to increasing instability, the risk of the OPEC Plus deal falling apart could lead to market chaos. Moreover, oil quotes are still trading near two-year highs. Thus, their bullish run appears to be limited, while there is room for a significant decline. Yesterday, Brent crude lost about 3.9%. According to the trading chart, the quotes seem to have entered oversold territory. This in turn is likely to result in a technical pullback. How strong will this pullback be? Analysts believe that the benchmark may slide to the level of $73.50 per barrel. As for WTI crude oil, it can be clearly seen that the benchmark is in oversold territory. The trading chart shows that the price may extend losses up to $72 or $71.50 per barrel amid uncertainty over supply. Now let's move on to the Russian ruble. In the previous trading session, the dollar-ruble pair's correction slowed down slightly. As a result, the price approached the 74 mark. Analyzing the current trading chart, we can assume that the pair may well resume its correction if it fixes below the level of 73.85. Otherwise, the correction may be over sooner than expected. The dynamics of the euro-ruble pair is quite similar. Likewise, its correction slowed down at around the 87.30 mark. In order to resume its corrective movement, the pair needs to break through the pivot point. If the price fails to overcome this level, the euro-dollar pair is expected to gain in value. Despite high volatility in the foreign exchange market, the Russian ruble has been standing still for the third day in a row. Thus, sharp price fluctuations at unexpected moments cannot be excluded. Given the fact that the global trend implies a stronger US dollar, the ruble is likely to fall dramatically. However, it is impossible to predict when that happens, as the ruble continues to ignore the situation on the market. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.